Hello, in this tutorial we're going to be talking about the integrations panel in the FastMember products. Now, some of the plugins that you install may have an integrations panel which will appear here when you install it. And you can see here there's already some integration panels for these built-in integrations, and there's a fast tags integration as well. But if we wanted to install another plugin with an integration, all we need to do is come into the FastFlow dashboard and go into the add-ons, and depending on the integration you want to install, the panel should appear in that section. So let's just go into the free plugins. So for example, say we wanted to install fast ClickFunnels. So once that's installed, if we go back to the panel in FastMember on the product, and then let's just reload this page, and then back to the integrations tab, you can see now the ClickFunnels integration panel appears, and we can basically integrate with ClickFunnels as needed. So any of the other plugins that have integrations panels, they will appear in the integration section, obviously when you install that plugin.